how to use Discord to learn English or to improve your English. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process. I'll tell you what you need to do or in which server you need to join to learn English or to improve English overall. And I'll tell you from my own experience. Now let's jump right into the video. So how I learn English, basically I just talk with people, I communicate with people on Discord, and that's how I learn it. And in this video I'll show you what you need to do. First of all, you need to join in few servers. One of the servers that I think is will be really beneficial for you, you will benefit the most, is English. It's called Simply English, and this server is dedicated to help non-native speakers improve their English. But what you need to do basically is just to talk with people. You can join in this group, just tap on it and you'll join. This one, beginner, is for beginners, it's for intermediates, for advanced, for fluent, for native speakers. And yeah, you can just join channels here and just start talking, and the more you practice the better you get. And that's how I improved. And there's still a lot of things to improve on my English. I'm still making mistakes, but that's how I do it. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to practice and improve my English. Yeah, we have here advanced, hangout. We have a lot of things you can do here. There's also some teachers that will join once a week, and they will do a class on this server. And also another really helpful thing about this server is that you can actually read. There's like a book club here, and I was super impressed when they created this. I was, wow, you can read a book with someone. They can help each other when there's a word that you can't pronounce. So that's really amazing. There's many different servers here I'm part of, but yeah, you can join in this. You can politics. I'll give you by the way, I'll drop the invitation links in the description. So yeah, I'll link the invitation links in the description. And this service is good as well. There's a lot of native speakers here. You can improve your English. You can learn English here. This will really help you. I mean, the main thing is just practice, like speaking. And this is a good service as well. I love this one because a lot of people here are interested in improving and learning. You can see here we have many different text chats as well here, and this one is good as well. Yeah, so that's, I don't want to make this video too long. So for that reason, the main idea is, if you want to learn English using Discord, is just to join a server and then start to talk with people. This will really help you to develop your communication skills. The more you practice, the faster you'll improve your English. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope this video will help you, and see you in the next one.